What if distance is an illusion? Two particles, separated by billions of light years, yet somehow intimately, instantly connected. One reacts and the other knows, crossing the universe in zero time. This isn't science fiction, this is quantum entanglement, and it changes everything we thought we knew about reality. For centuries, we believed the universe was a machine, a predictable machine. Objects exist in one place. Cause leads to effect. Nothing travels faster than light. That was local realism, the idea that things only affect what's nearby and that the world is made of definite separate objects. It's how you experience your daily life. It makes sense. But it's also wrong. Here's what actually happens. At the quantum level, the smallest scale of reality, there are no separate objects, no definite positions, just a fog of pure possibility. A particle isn't in one place, it's everywhere at once, existing as a wave of probabilities. Only when you measure it does it choose a location, and this is where things get truly strange. When two particles become entangled, they stop being two separate things. They become one system, described by a single unified wave function. Nothing travels between them when one is measured. No signal, no hidden message, no secret faster-than-light communication. They were never separate in the first place. That's the part Einstein refused to accept. He called it spooky action at a distance and spent decades trying to prove it couldn't be real. But in 1964, physicist John Bell proved Einstein wrong. He showed mathematically that if local realism were true, certain experimental results would be impossible. And when we ran those experiments, local realism failed every single time. The universe is fundamentally non-local. Everything is connected to everything else at the deepest level. So why don't you feel it? Why does your world seem so solid, so separate, so predictable? Because of something called decoherence. The moment a quantum system interacts with the environment, with air molecules, with light, with anything, the delicate web of entanglement shatters. The fog of possibilities collapses into a single, definite reality. The classical world you experience every day isn't the truth. It's just what's left after the quantum magic has been stripped away by contact with the messy, noisy universe. Here is what this means. Space itself, the distance between you and me, between galaxies, between those two entangled particles, may not be fundamental. It may be an emergent property, a useful illusion generated by deeper laws we're only beginning to understand. The universe isn't a collection of separate things moving through space. It's a single, inseparable, vibrating whole. The ancient mystics who spoke of oneness, they may have been closer to the truth than the physicists who insisted on separation. So, does all this happen by itself? Is it just random, meaningless quantum noise? Or is there a master design, an intelligence so vast, so elegant, that it wove entanglement into the very fabric of existence, ensuring that everything in the universe is forever, invisibly connected? Maybe the answer is both. Maybe the design is the mechanism. Either way, the universe just got a lot more interesting.